Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please like and subscribe. So in this video I'll be taking myself on a solo date. So I just showered and got ready. Let me show you my fit. So this is my fit. Dun, dun. So yeah, I'm just wearing a shirt and some skirts. And for the shoes, I'll probably be wearing my champers. And yeah, that's it. First, Mate, I think I'm gonna eat something. So for this vlog, it's a solo date. So I haven't eaten till now, and it's like 2:39. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get something to eat and look for nail inspo, because I haven't like chosen one, which one I wanna do. Bye. So I just got back home and I got a few goodies that I want to show. Like most of them are just refills. So this one mascara is also a refill. It's very good. Concealers, this is my favorite one. The shade is the darkest shade. It's from the brand The Seam. It's a really good high coverage concealer. I highly recommend it. And this one is Dr. G sunscreen. And same, the combination to try. This one is Dr. G Red Blemish Clear Soothing Cream. This one is supposed to help remove the acne scars, so I hope it really works. And these are my real nails, and I just did them in like a slightish whitish pinkish color, and just a simple bow. Yeah, that's about it. So pretty. Yep, that's it. So today I'm gonna sleepover, but in our own house. Have you seen my boyfriend?
Have you seen my boyfriend?
My boyfriend. Have you?
Bye guys.
So first thing is we need to set up the bed, right?
Let's go.
Dumplings. I have finger chips. We are doing kind of a mukbang. Kiriminta?
What kind of doing?
We have kimchi dumplings, sausage, fish and chips, and
Our noodles.
spicy noodles.
It's yellow. This is yellow spicy. You could buy it.
Like, do you want to do a challenge?
No.
Like, eat the whole thing without drinking the Coke. The one who drinks the Coke is the loser.
No.
You want a challenge or no?
I don't want to challenge yet, but
Okay, then just a mukbang. Eat the things you like. No, you need to do cheers first bite.
3, 2, wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ito mumuhan ko rin. Naman. Di lang maliit, di magpiray. Sabi naman, sabi.
I can't drink.
How do you? तिमीलाई चाहिँ ल 5 केजी मात्र खानु पर्ने है त ड्रिङ्क.
I'm not getting spicy. I'm calming down.
You say It's one packet and we share it in a row.
We can drink once.
We can drink 3 times now.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
You challenge right now. Only mukbang खाओ. You try गर्ने हो?
Oh, ah. Mmm. Didi, can you help me to cut half?
Just eat and I've got it video soon. Midline?
Two.
I just made 5.
I'm not eating my cup. I'll eat that after, later.
मलाई चाहिँ पिरो भएन यो ट्राई गरे फिस एन्ड चिप्स
Let me try. Cut half again. When we did cut half.
फिस एन्ड चिप्स हो फिस स्टिक्स हो
Let me try that.
थाहा छैन उफ गरेन खाइदिउँ I like this.
Same. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Let's do one. खान्छ कि साँच्ची झुल गर्न साँच्ची हो हिस्काको सो लिटल हो चाउचाउ मैले खान्छ भनेर छिट्छिट रहेको सरी है
That was so good. The fish was chipped.
I should eat like this together with the sausage and
This is so good.
I do it on the hand. Can you bring ketchup? I did all the things, you know.
After I finish this.
I think मेरे पेट दुखता मैं खाए थे
Okay. I'm still fine.
Can you bring ketchup?
For what?
Just.
Should I dip this in the shot?
Mm.
It's kind of hard to bend.
Is kind of okay? Have you seen my boyfriend?
I love this. I love that dim sum. Now,
Good name some.
to again have one.
Kimchi को होता Kimchi flavor.
But I love it.
किनभने यो kimchi जस्तो केही थिएन यार. Every time one of us say, let's play a game. Have you seen my boyfriend? I know. I said no. Monzo. Let's play something game.
I have a good.
Not that. Just when we don't need anything. Like. Okay. Oh. What again? I say apple.
Huh?
And then last को word E हुन्छ नि त्यो E बाट तिमीले अर्को word भन्नुपर्ने त्यसरी
Banana.
ह
Banana.
ए स्टार्ट हो बनानाको ए हुन्छ हैन ए बाट एप्पल
E.
ई बाट के
Banana.
टिचर भन्नुपर्छ
Elephant.
टी बाट टाइगर
I forgot what is the tiger last one. I don't know what is the last word tiger.
टाइगर अफ स्विमिङ के हो
Huh? R? Rat.
टी बाट टमेटो Oh, what?
Orange.
You got
Orange.
egg. Can I have one spoon noodle?
Okay. This is too much.
Rag de. Rag di sake. Rag di sake ke? Rag di sake ke kya? You want the sausage or no? No boy. You already had dinner. I didn't even have dinner. Spare me some.
No, I just have a little.
What is up?
I want more.
अब रेस खेलने? है तुम सब पीछे खेलता? मैं खाने.
Yes.
Do you want the sausage or no?
Yes.
Hey!
What?
Why you want to steal my food?
You said that.
What is it?
Bear. I'm first. I'm first.
Hai đi kêu ông bà